Are you finding it hard to navigate your table data? If you have a big data table of products or listings, then your visitors are stuck scrolling through hundreds of rows just to find what they need. Troublesome, isn't it? With FlexTable's built-in table filtering, your visitors can instantly narrow down any table by searching, selecting, or combining multiple filters, all within one page. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to FlexTable. Then from the All Tables section, open any pre-made table you want to edit. Then go to Table Customization, click on the Filter tab, and simply turn on Enable Filters for this table. Next, choose how your filters look. Form Style gives you a clean, organized panel, which is perfect for detailed filtering. Horizontal Bar keeps things compact and modern, which is great for a sleeker layout. Then decide where the filters appear. Above the table for quick access, below when filtering is secondary, or in the left or right sidebar for a more advanced layout. Here's where it gets powerful. Click the settings icon on any column header and configure exactly how that column filters. Choose single select, multi-select, or text search. Enable exact match for precise results. You can even set a default filter value so the table loads pre-filtered. Running a WooCommerce store lets shoppers filter your product table by category, brand, price, or stock availability, so they find exactly what they're looking for in seconds. Or if you have a business directory, visitors can narrow listings by city, service type, or rating, and turn a long table into a powerful search tool. For internal teams, you can even predefine filters from the backend, so different users only see the data that's relevant to them. No extra interaction needed. Table filtering is available in FlexTable Pro. Upgrade today and give your visitors the fast, intuitive data experience they deserve.